Today I'm going to be talking about QR codes. QR codes is one of the few things that we learned in class. What a QR code does is it compresses information into a small little symbol right here, and that you can scan it from any mobile phone that has a camera and a QR code app downloaded to take you to a website, business card, or just to get someone's phone number. It's real easy to use. You just type in what you want to do. So put the school's website, and there, as you saw while we were typing, this changed, which it changed to a link that will take you directly to CalU's website. You can create a contact, which is me. It's my email. It's my phone number. That's all you really need to know. Some advantages and disadvantages. Well, look how big this thing looks. It looks big. Sometimes if you print and you have a sloppy printer, that might end up looking wonky. However, if you scan it just from the computer, right here, it looks perfect. So, it has its ups and downs. WordArt is another fancy tool we use to make our little visuals pop. So, what it does is, it takes words that you type. So, we got word, art, dog, parrot, cat, bird, eagle. So you hit visualize. As you can see, since word is first, it's going to be the biggest. If you want to change some, just hit clear that out, hit 2. Now eagle. Eagle's going to be the bigger word, as you can see right here. And then now eagle is first, word becomes second, so on and so forth. Comes in handy. This symbolizes the ideas of putting it into a Word document and randomizing it into some weird shape. This does it for you, which is real simple. The only downside is this doesn't have spell check, as you can see. Well, now it wants to do it. Now you just correct that. Now it's fixed, but your shape changes. And it will always change. Doesn't matter. I mean, you can have like this. Now it changes that, unless you specifically tell you want a specific shape. Piktochart is another flyer type program that we learned. What it does is it makes it available online. It's free to use, which is really good. So what it does is it breaks down sections. So this is one section. As you can see, you can change it however big or small you want it. You have the option to insert graphs through the tools. So just go into charts. Then you create it. Real simple. You can change your text. So subtitle, title for like bigger words. You can change the background. I got my citations down here. But then you can create another one. So add a block. Change it. Looks real nice. If you like it, you can insert images, browse images to upload. These are images you already have. It comes in handy if you're trying to create a large flyer for something on campus, work. If you have one of those fancy computers that can print large sections, you can make this longer than 11 inches that a normal piece of paper would be. So that's a plus. The only downside is this little bar right here. You can't actually see where it ends, so you don't know if you cut it off. Like here, it looks kind of wonky. But if you click off, you can see where it connects. but then there it is again as soon as you move. Can get in your way. Powtoon is another tool that we used. It's basically like animates your PowerPoint. See? There it is. That's me. It also brings life to your characters, to your slides. It just makes it seem fun and exciting and engaging. The only issue is trying to voice over. It's recommended to voice first and then create the avatar to match. See? There. Trying to get all that together. It sucks. This is really good for somebody that's shy. It gives them the option to create a PowerPoint presentation through an animated version so that they don't have to get up in front of the class to present. Voki gives the students a chance to create themselves without being themselves. It allows students to create someone that looks like them. It allows them to introduce themselves. You can make them however you want, different types of hair, bald, whatever. It also gives them the option to talk, either through a microphone, through text, or by your cellular device. The really annoying part of this is that you have to buy most of the good stuff, like all of the people, anything that's got that little star. All in all, Voki's a really good thing to use if you're a shy student.